Don't reach for night to be saying you can watch the church. I'm sure.
Yes.
Now your night tonic. This than the show we call
Bubbles Yarn.
And since 2014 we don't receive many relationships.
Yes.
And we don't say this show now the show will go make your night sleep do it in. Now I did with my men them. No need too much introduction them. I get my peace ambassador, MC Shakra in the house. I get my hype man extraordinaire, Showman Bosco, with the inside the house. Now, I go straight into the matter I want to talk about today because this matter, we believe say babes will not to the lie.
You're feeling hot.
Will not to the lie.
You want to drop it hot.
I want to talk and straight up and I want to ask my men them, I beg, you self with the house. As we talk this matter, our social media portal as they run through the screen, make it the followers they talk, make it.
And they are always challenging me most times. Tell them why I'm just saying my opinion here. Shakara is not always right. I'm just airing my opinion. You put always Shakara is a lie.
Not be me be the masses.
Are they the judges?
Where they say
the people where judge
right.
say na Like win. Are they right? They were there. I mean, Ricardo Banks. Shakara is not always right. People should stop supporting him.
They are only listening to the voice
now,
of
only
wisdom.
guess, now they accept your opinion. I am saying the truth.
Voice of wisdom.
Now, when we talk this matter, I beg, how it takes sweet, it a good maybe they add either Bobby, hips, or Nyash to the one we don't get already.
Bobby, hips, or Nyash. Like say head, shoulder, knees, and Bobby.
Add from where? What are you adding?
Some they do surgery, some they use cream, they put on some, just adding is adding.
Bobby, okay, let me go straight.
Bobby hips or Bobby.
No, I do not, I no go agree make person add Bobby just because of my future picking. Because I just imagine say...
What do you want to add where you like? Or the way you agree to?
I feel agree bum bum and hips. Yes, this side. But because this side, my child is going to suck on this side.
So you don't say that back self get side effect.
My picking wants sit down there.
So that means you want to marry a woman you don't love. You only care about your children.
What are you saying?
I put it to you now that you have selfish reasons for getting married. You are one of the few.
Every man is selfish.
It's a lie.
I mean, male and female.
You are one of the few Nigerian men that want to marry a lady because you need to get picking.
No, you're not getting the fact.
Yes,
I
your
love,
point.
I told you that say me I like Bobby. We all love Bobby.
No, you say.
Do you know how I will feel if I want to? Do you know how I want to feel if I want to put my mouth on maybe a Nicki Minaj now? I'm feeling in silicone, but I don't mind. I'll try it. I will try it. I'm just saying, even you now, Nigerian men will love Bobby.
Not even me, I'm
you
different.
love Bobby.
I don't.
How will you be able to press a Bobby that you know is not real?
Why would you say you don't like Bobby?
We all love Bobby. We all do.
Don't like Bobby?
No, I told you, Tekara is lying. I told you guys. Why? When he smiles, he's lying.
I put it to you that the first thing you place your hand on when you're with your woman is
Bobby. You.
See, if you put Bobby here, put Isiewu here. I choose Isiewu over and over again.
Excuse me.
I swear down.
Yeah.
I'm not joking.
You will
fine girl with correct Bobby. She stand. And Isiewu. Oh, my friend. My brother. Isiewu. Over and over again.
We know.
I'm telling you.
We love Isiewu too. We all love Isiewu.
But if
Isiewu is not
Showman, listen.
that he called now.
Showman, listen. A plate of Isiewu with a very creamy girl. They say make a choice.
A plate of Isiewu.
Yes.
And a very
lovely, shapy,
cream.
everything is
girl that has the sukum.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I will choose the girl. Because I'm not going for the Isiewu. I'm not a sex person. I've told you before.
But you're going for the girl. You're not a sex person.
For the girl. You're saying you're not a sex person.
See. For me, sex I just thought maybe say, I'm still a virgin, but I will do it when I don't marry. So, but I will not choose Isiewu over a beautiful, a goddess. What?
For the moment, they are not giving you to data.
They are
It's just
giving
for
you strength for the
It's just for
moment.
the moment.
Now what for you?
It's just like you eat the Isiewu for the
now what
moment.
for you? What I want to that I want to do? I will choose the Isiewu for the moment now. Then later I believe I can still go back. But you can have two things at the same time. You can have two things. But I don't know.
You know, say the point for me now say a lot of women now believe say these days now the trend, the thing where they trend now are big Bobby now the trend now.
I don't think for guys. Even
Now
this Casey Harrison and Skibby Evano, where Mike is at the video. You see the Sukum Sakam with that lady carry for the video.
But me, I feel saying back 90 trends.
Because back it is. Let me tell you, I don't think if I come like this now and I see a girl, Bobby, you understand from front. I don't think I go say wow, some big boobs. But if I dey back, you understand, and I see, even at front, I see some lovely shape. I want to have the shape and the bum come together. For me, that one alone, I can go crazy on that one. I don't say I don't like Bobby, but I mean, I love to have the, you understand,
but you know, if you ask me, I prefer fine face, all these things.
No, it's not in the list, excuse me. Don't bring other things. No. It's not in the list. If you say you choose fine face, me I go tell you say I choose fine character. So what are you saying? But it's not in the list.
My own basically now say, I still talk him again.
Ask Shakara the question.
I don't notice a lot of
has he chosen
now.
Shakara don't choose anyone.
Since
he don't choose them.
What's wrong with you?
Exactly what did you say? Ishewu, you know they our list too.
I say, but say if they place her,
see what Ugo told me was Bobby.
Come and take one round here.
Hips.
Come and take one round here.
Or leave your one round. Choose out of these three. If they say, okay, now God won't give you wife, and he say, Shakara, this year, which God already tell me say won't give you wife this year. But God now
will tell you say won't give another person wife.
He can speak through me now, and he does.
Speak through you because here they pay me. Here they pay me.
You don't get time. Many times the girls are speaking into your ear. You don't have time. You are very busy, you know. But imagine now he's saying.
But do you know the truth?
Yes.
A girl that will date.
What will she have?
Maybe say I won't choose between what she go get. If she gets Bum, I'm fine. If she no get Bobby, let me tell you.
You can
let me tell
Bobby.
you. No. Okay. Let me tell you. During pregnancy,
it will increase.
Bobby will.
That's what I'm saying.
Will be made.
I'm never afraid of, but let me tell you.
But during pregnancy, Bum no fit develop.
It develops once.
No,
but you know the majority, and let me tell you, most men out there, and even ladies, it has been known kissing and pressing of Bobby, it cures cancer. It cures depression.
They didn't add kissing. They only said
sucking of
Bobby.
No, kissing.
No, we say they cure cancer. It
reduces the
risk of getting cancer. And then kissing makes you younger.
Do you know the
kissing makes you look younger?
Wait. You don't even ask. And I don't even ask what will be the high they take reduce the risk of getting cancer.
Well, now the man they carry on.
It's not like you're carrying anything.
Okay,
now, you get some debt where did they on top. Bobby, if you take pass, let me say now, you been put money here.
Okay, that's how you talk.
You get how the money go come meet that place, go sweat go come meet them.
So you
go open.
You understand? It go open. So before it go get to when maybe sweat, maybe you just be put money, and then somebody fortunately comes up. Yo, Bobby, are you getting me now? That's it. I've been educated by some of these doctors. You know, I follow Pink Pen Foundation. This Orodo Oduagara, former governor of Delta State, his daughter get foundation.
Okay.
The man they brought to
so we follow.
So I dey ask say, why this thing they reduce? I want to know why.
Have you asked the question also?
Now they can't explain.
Ugo, so I don't think you go on a break. But you are saying this thing now. Of a woman where the
reason why I explain this thing, make you not go see woman where get cancer, I say one help her. You can't go to solve Bobby.
But you say Shakara talk say hold on please abeg. You talk say the nipple get hole or one thing where dirty dey. What of we guys? We get something we get hole when dirty fit dey enter inside. So that means when they come back.
Yeah, sometimes it is okay for them to add.
You know they okay be that now because on a very normal day, you know say normally now our girls guys do everything to impress the guys because currently now the guys they scarce. I must put it that way because currently now if you want to find out from different perspective, the girls not just guys impress the guys to make sure that they make their normal pay and the rest of it. So it's not really okay from our own perspective.
Me, I like woman where get Bobby and ass.
Yes, so now welcome back.
Ogo, don't try to be very nice. We are discussing this Shakara's nipple issue.
For example,
Shakara, are you telling us that all the girls should wash their nipple before we
Before I call it, a girl is supposed to clean up before you do anything now.
Nipple.
Let me tell you, most of these things.
They know they wash and when they bath.
Most of these things can never be dirty until maybe you don't Tay.
Yeah.
You understand? It don't come turn to.
How can the nipple Tay like that?
No,
How
no,
can
this
the
thing what
girls
they talk.
nipple? Yeah.
This thing what they talk. Not be 2 days, oh. Say what you know.
How many days?
Well, I don't know. Because I know say somebody must bath in less than 24 hours.
And most ladies at least go bath like twice a day. If a guy can shower twice, ladies they bath like twice, thrice. So the nipple will be, and then for the ladies that are constantly, they have at least good bodies that know how to handle it.
For woman, Bobby, this small hole will be like where would normally not be this.
Use
now,
your own
where
as
would the sweat
example.
from?
We all have it now. Show us
Where would
show
the
us,
sweat?
let us see and
Where
explain.
would
Can't
the
you do
sweat?
biology?
Wait,
Can we are real here now? Explain to us what you're
Woman
saying.
own, it breathe, it open.
How
As
that can
like, not because she see and say small. If you carry your microscope, take look at you see say woman this hole, this small hole there where they around the bobby, they breathe, they open like this. You understand? Because of
Wow. Shakara. You have gone far. Wow.
now, if you go to other seminars, you listen generally.
This is something that you have to look. Shakara, I bet you. You have looked at every Bobby very well to say, this is, look at it. Then you look at it.
I'm glad 1 or 2 persons are picking something.
Yeah. Now, the point be this. So the point be this. Why I believe say based on babes they put themselves for risk if they enlarge their bobby or they enlarge their bum, or hips. Side effects they some because
I don't feel say. Let me
we
tell
don't
you.
see so many wey be say they go do surgery. At the end of the day, come out day.
In life, I always believe say if you want to do anything that makes you happy, you understand? As long as you know it makes you happy, you can go ahead.
You want to do anything,
I'm not saying
you want to
it's
do
wrong, but I'm
dangerous
just
things
saying
that
there
makes you
are some
happy.
side effects.
How can you be saying this?
How can dangerous thing make you happy? You know,
You're saying if you want to do anything that will make you happy.
If a girl,
So why not take care? Why not take care? Why not take care of yourself?
You're not meant to say that alone. Show me.
I've seen many girls wey don lose self-esteem. They don't get confidence because of either say they don't get bobby or they don't get his hand. And then the next minute, when the girl go do the whole breast implant and her bobby come out, the confidence comes back into her. So I'm saying if it makes you happy, you understand, say your bobby, but do it the right way. It's not dangerous if you do it the proper way. You can't do it in Nigeria, obviously. You will die. You can't do it here. You do it in countries like other places that, sorry to say, her soul rests in perfect peace. Our Goldie that died years back. People were having rumors say, say she don't only do breast, whatever. So she been go, you know, say they go like, you must also know, say if you do them, that's that every year or so you have to go and like medical check-up. I don't know for them or So last day they say where she go, coming back or so now inside the plane, one thing. So but for me, I believe one thing, if I know say, because I always say it, men they do one. Sure what of men when they enlarge their abundance just because they want to impress a girl? What of men that take drugs just to impress their girl?
But is it wrong for you to stay natural?
No. Let me tell you, if you say we should stay natural, then we should all walk naked. We were not born with clothes. If you are being natural, don't wear clothes. Don't rub cream. Don't do your hair. Don't do this. Well, no, there's no natural person. We are all wearing clothes. We are artificial.
Wearing clothes, no, they are.
Excuse me. You don't comb your hair. You don't shave your this thing. You will not.
No.
What is wearing
clothes got to do with that?
Let me tell
when
you.
it comes to this
rubbing of cream on your body.
Is the ability
rubbing of cream on your body
is to maintain your skin.
It's to maintain your skin.
Yes.
And give you the tone you want and the rest. So somebody that knows that he don't get bobby and wants to increase his bobby, is it a crime? It's not a crime now.
Do you know a lot of people rub cream just because they just want to protect their skin? Nobody say they want to just to, maybe you don't want to be cold.
There's a reason for doing it.
You don't want to be cold.
There's a reason for doing it. Even you put cream for your hair, there's a reason for doing it. Even the person where they go add bobby get reason. Maybe don't suffer, no get boyfriend. You don't reach age where you don't go. Yes, now everybody they look am. If you can't go put bobby and person come marry am.
But really, una no noticing that the new trend with the outside now with that.
I have no problem with this one.
Check all the babes.
Me, I know they waka, they look girls' breast now.
No, you know they look because they see am inside when they reach inside the house now.
Every girl have a big ass. Every girl
when naturally, Shakara can never even carry a girl we don't get bobby. I never. Well, okay. It's multi-choice. He has different spec. Yeah, sorry, it's a mistake.
He has multi-choice.
Yeah, multi-choice now. You don't have a problem with
when we first come island. Who first helped the loyalists? No, we're loyal.
I don't
You get what we say, go look for straw. Somebody look for straw.
You get what
Take.
even when you see her, you said your laptop must carry you good.
It be like that guy we won't go. It be like that guy we won't go. Remember that gist of that guy won't go buy bra for his wife. Where they say, I wait till we size and say, hey, don't forget to. Because okay, how your wife Bobby if you describe her, you see, that the guy say I talk now. It be like mango. The guy say no. It be like pawpaw. I say no. It be like guava. I say no. I Bobby. It be like egg. Yes, but fry one. Say fry one. Be like egg, but not fry one.
Oh goodness. So you see, that kind of person, if a husband can tell his wife, she has to improve that program.
I'm going to see your opinion. When we hear within our women, them guys talk on top this one time. When we come back, we see they talk about how they go. Say now fry egg.
I swear.
Fry egg.
For me, it's not okay.
No, we know they're okay.
My own bum is okay for me. The size of my breast is okay for me. But any other person, we want go add to the one where God give am. For me, it be like say the person know the respect God wey create am.
Normally, you need to date your natural self.
I would like the young youths now not to make them not enter that kind of thing or go do that kind of thing. Who for their body? If he kill the person, or the person no fit survive am.
So you know good make you wear all this kind pint and bra, all those stuff like that. Because if you wear am, no go help you, my dear. So all those kind of things, I don't see anything wey go make you carry all those nonsense say you won't wear.
For me, I do okay. I like the way I do because there are a lot of guys there. They say they like the way I look. They like the size of my breast as it's small. They like the size of my bum as it's small. They like her like that. And that's why I tell marry, so.
I like her.
Nice
I like
one.
They like
I like
the
her.
size.
Very
They like the size
They
of
like-
the bum as a small.
No, but you see
That
one
guy
thing.
as a small. Now you take marry so. Now
But
they take happy for you so.
She has a point because you see, in this life, everybody must. Somebody must they go like you. They say one man's business, another man's
Poison.
hair. So anyhow. But my issue I get more with the ladies now when they talk about say be natural. I look at all of them. And I didn't say anything natural. From the hair is not natural. The makeup is natural. Now, even men now, we get issues because I dey look some girls' picture for Instagram. And when you go, if you want really know girl, where girl really fine, go check her Instagram pictures. That one where they down. I'm giving you a secret now. Of like 1 or 2 years ago, you will see the real color of the girl before her eye can open. When she gonna do makeup, you can't see the real color for up here. Don't like
One girl post picture now before and after.
And after.
That time they do that. What do they call them? Throwback.
Throwback
No. Surulere.
Oh, Surulere, okay,
When Surulere they rain, everybody put their own.
Yeah.
You understand?
One can come through our own
So
Surulere.
when the girl come put her own Surulere, like say, sister, this your rich and Okpaja beg. Because she black for one. She come white for one. You understand?
A couple of many people
Sister,
now.
this your own. Don't pass Surulere.
Look,
A lot of people now.
and let me tell you the
Right
truth.
now.
You know, I've realized one thing, like because see, no be say when I see some girls, I don't see some girls where you go no say this girl color, no be her real, as in no be bad thing, no. She's not a dark person. She's maybe chocolate or something, but because of how Nigeria they very hot, the sun and the rest. So she can't really the dark. So there are creams where if you tone you to your real color, way how
That is
God
not toning. That is bringing out
your real
skin.
color.
Enhancing
That's what I'm
your real
saying.
color.
So, but it's not a problem when somebody tries to say you're not being natural because the one why they vex are girls where they bleach. And we clearly know that if you like bleach from head to toe,
I mean, you know,
we know the
you know, say
places
sometimes
that
you
we can
see.
look at that you can never bleach.
But
I just see why girls they do that.
You can never even
You know
bleach
that
people.
you know that you can never bleach some parts.
Yes,
in
now.
your-
Middle of your... That place.
No matter how much they get one
guys,
place.
don't invest now.
How they want to
Where
do
they put cream.
How? How you want to do that?
Then they put cream there, leave them. They all cream the other there. Cream you dey there. Don't wear panties on top.
Can I go?
Nah.
Jesus.
Cream
that
you dey
place
there.
go fair past the other.
You know, for night, they'll tell them.
Unless that one. But how you go feel if your girlfriend tell you say, Shakara, please, maybe for night now, you say, Shakara, please, can you help me? Help me cream. Can you do it for her? At least for love. You want her color to be uniform, and you have to bleach that side.
No, I can't encourage my girl
to bleach.
Say make she dey bleach.
But she don't want to bleach.
But she don't dey bleach already.
She don't dey bleach, and you love her. And you have to support her.
You know, no.
Can't you scrub your girls back?
I don't
Can't
support
you help her?
I like natural people. You understand? If na the one way they rub, where they bring out your skin. Like me before, I know they rub cream. I can't let. Once I bath.
But now you can see your color is changing.
Once I bath, I don't come out.
Your color is changing.
The same
now.
world people where they say they cause people wear rub cream. Now then they say, what's happening? You don't have time for yourself for what? Do you rub cream at all? You are getting black every day. Cost.
Yes. True.
I can't complain. Somebody come buy me one cream because I don't know.
I remember when you go to recommend that after you see the I watch you. Shakara was changing the color.
In fact, now Big Jeff.
Yes.
Come buy the cream.
Big Jeff, yes.
I still buy the cream cup. Nah, we get up the cream. The same world people. We say, what are you doing? You are black. Just say, Shakara. What did happen?
You know they bleach.
You know they bleach. I said, I don't take grass. I'm not gonna leave me. And I want keep waiting person go do for this life.
For black to that's the problem.
So I call this one place. One girl come ask me because he's like, I say yes. Somebody told me I was black. Too much.
So you try to revamp yourself.
So you where they complain, another person be complain. So
I understand the plan because you see, most in this life we want to impress people.
Of course,
we want to look before people. So I don't blame anybody who want add Bobby. Me, I prefer. This is the part I agree anybody to add.
But I think I think this toning cream they get level. You get the one so use. Like the one where we say Jeff be recommend that time, my brother.
Jeff is a madman.
Now that one they call bleaching cream.
How can Jeff? How can a presenter be telling you what to?
Is Jeff?
So, if you see the way I take through the cream, I close it like this. I bounce out like
no, but you know that cream worked on you. It changed your color.
But it was too much. It was so obvious. I didn't like it like that.
I don't get time again. Let's do the last words on today's episode. Now, Bum hips. Which one you go prefer?
Bum hips. Bum come with hips now. Now the same package.
Let me all know. Some girls say we get hips, but no get bum. Yeah, some get bum, but no get hips.
No get hips. Bum no day.
You just see the bum. But let me tell you, if you have bum, the hips can cover up. If you know, yeah.
Well, anyone.
But I love hips. I love hips, and I know hips will call bum. Like I love tools.
I bet I go tell you say anything where you want to do to enhance your relationship or make sure say your relationship done.
Do it.
Do them. But make sure say you use wisdom. WISDOM. Wisdom is key.
Thank God say you spell and
before people go market, where they find wisdom cream.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.